Timor-Leste, Asina Hwpl, Husi Coreia do Sul, Hodi Implementa Programa Jornalismu, Papaz Educação Jornalismo Ninhan. Iha tinan rihung rua nulu resing hal no ita hotu hatele kata Hwpl no da Organização Internacional ida Husi Coreia do Sul nebe matau atenção kona ba passo global no ação haparafun. Também maluk sira atau hatene di klutang sinamone hausa lorita bot sira ba acompanha hamut.
Presente ação jurnalista Asina, editor Asina, editor de Asina de marca presença, funcionário Asina do Conselho de Imprensa, jornalista Asina Paulo, nós especialmente para kita dia renakan natua, lebih dia ini membuat berita yang sangat importante itu. Biasanya kita hari ini sambil Programa Asina Akordu Implementa baca atau tahu programa ini lebih sebelum programa ini ia mundur. Programa ini itu se fokus dulu pada formação jornalismo pas, kapis jornalismo. Lebih itu se awet di 2024 Conselho de Imprensa organização ini Hwpl se halon di plano itu se diskuti con conteúdo, diskuti con emana hira mak se participa, fating ini be minimum ini lore notícia dia kita baita, atau kita desenvolve itania prestação jornalismo liliu iha cobertura iha área paz. Agradeço tebes ba jornalista Sira, media Sira Timor, nebe durante ne continua hamuto ko Conselho de Imprensa, Hodi implementa programa Sira Novema Conselho de Imprensa Fosai, nos aplica manual Sira Novema Conselho de Imprensa produz no faetiona ba itebot Sira. His Excellency Mr. He Men Lee, the chairman of Hwpl or his representative, our special guest from Hwpl, Mrs. Jennifer Choi and Choi Lee. It is difficult for me to spell. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to take this opportunity to welcome to Hwpl delegations, distinguished of Hwpl and Timor-Leste Press Council. This is honorable for me to take this special moment to say thanks very much to Hwpl, high authorities, media department, all Hwpl's volunteers, delegates, and teams which have conducted guidelines for peace journalism studies and peace journalism education. It is so meaningful and significant for Timor-Leste Press Council if Hwpl committed to continue working on the media literacy guideline, martial art issues, climate change, journalism, and media management. Therefore, signing of this memorandum of understanding will provide so many advantages in the science of media development and keep upgrading knowledge of journalists. This memorandum of understanding will driving the Timor-Leste Press Council and Hwpl to their long-term partnership and cooperation. Please follow me and say, we are one. We are one. Ini hal tirhau, temi tirhau. We are one. Tiak, obrigado barak.
I would like to invite Mrs. Crowley to deliver your speech for this year.
Thank you so much for your joining today's meaningful event. Respected Timor-Leste Press Council and distinguished journalists, I'm truly honored to stand before you today and extend my heartfelt gratitude for this momentous occasion. This signing of today's MOU holds profound significance, symbolizing the shared commitment of HWPL and the Timor-Leste Press Council to stride hand in hand towards peace and development. I'm deeply appreciative of the Timor-Leste Press Council's unwavering dedication to upholding freedom of expression and press, cornerstones of a peaceful society. Recognizing your pivotal role in awakening the consciousness of Timor-Leste citizens, I anticipate the continued growth of peace awareness among the people of Timor-Leste. Signing an MOU with the Timor-Leste Press Council is a great honor for HWPL. Timor-Leste's remarkable 10th position in the 2023 World Press Freedom Index underscores its dedication to promoting democracy through press freedom. We extend our utmost respect to the Timor-Leste Press Council for their substantial contributions to this achievement. We look forward to Timor-Leste's continued global leadership in the sphere of press freedom. Through the signing of this MOU, I call upon the Timor-Leste Press to sustain their focus on the HWPL Peace Project, aiming to transform Dili into a city of peace. HWPL Peace Project includes peace journalism education, peace art project, and peace education. The collaboration between HWPL and the Timor-Leste Press Council is important as we can inspire Timor-Leste citizens to engage in the development of Timor-Leste more and more. The president of HWPL emphasizes like this: clear actions must follow to achieve peace. Solidarity for peace is crucial. Everyone desires peace equality. This signing is a crucial moment, a commitment to actionable and vibrant peace initiatives. Let us collectively become ambassadors of peace, working in harmony to share Timor-Leste into a country of peace. To shape Timor-Leste into a country of peace and Dili into a city of peace. Through peace journalism education with the Timor-Leste Press Council, I envision the emergence of numerous peace journalists, imparting the values of peace to our citizens. I hope this MOU signing ceremony becomes a significant moment, symbolizing our commitment to substantive and active peace initiatives. Let us all here become messengers of peace, working together to transform Timor-Leste into a country of peace and Dili into a city of peace. Through collaborative efforts with the Timor-Leste Press Council in peace journalism education, we look forward to nurturing numerous peace journalists and imparting the values of peace to our citizens. I express profound gratitude for your presence in this significant moment of collaboration. May our joint efforts contribute not only to Timor-Leste, but also resonate globally in the pursuit of sustainable peace. Thank you.
Thank you, Mana Claudia, for delivering the speech. Tu yang main akan convidar conselheiro Benevides, aku hato breves palavras. Terima kasih.
Sorry, Mrs. Chloe Lee and Mrs. Jennifer Toy, because we have delivered around 60 invitations to our invitee, but today only few journalists and other distinguished guests are present in the signing of the memorandum of understanding. And once again, I'm sorry. I just take this opportunity to read out the whole process until today ceremony. His Excellency President of Timor-Leste Press Council and its members, His Excellency Chairman Lee, and all the key figures of HWPL. Our special guests from HWPL, Ms. Jennifer Toy and Chloe Lee. Please, huge warm welcome to our special guests. Thank you. All key figures, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome the HWP delegation and you all in the ceremony of signing the memorandum of understanding between HWPL and Timor-Leste Press Council. Timor-Leste Press Council is so grateful to have delegation from HWPL, inter alia, Ms. Jennifer Toy and Ms. Chloe Lee. Bureau in mind that other HWPL delegates have been working on until today, focusing on Sanana Sports Center project, Sanana Sports Center Event Hall project, Public Peace Art project, and Dili project, transforming Dili into a piece of city, where this project is connecting directly with Timor-Leste Deputy Prime Minister, His Excellency Mr. Kalwa Francisco. The main goal is to boost tourism in the long-term vision and attract foreigners to come to visit this Timor-Leste. Therefore, peace, security, and stability are the main key for national development and in every sector. Let me touch on the program briefly. Today's event become real and demonstrate long discussion focused on the major project related to the media literacy, peace journalism, journalist education, and martial art. The last one will not left behind, as I myself, Professor Juan Antonio Suarez and Mateus Lema Suarez have been working on it until today. Effort has been made so far from Timor-Leste Press Council delegations and HPL key figures during the World Peace Summit in Incheon, South Korea on 18-21 September 2023. Discussions were conducted intensively during the summit session with Mr. Yang Xion, Hwpl International Law Department, Ms. Noel Han, Hwpl General Directors of Public Relations and Press, Jasmine Kim and Albert Choi. The exchange of ideas, opinions, observations, and suggestions keep continuing right after the summit until this memorandum of understanding signed by the both parties. As discussed in June meeting, in progress on October with some important figures, Noel Han and Jasmine Kim, the result is fantastic. Hwpl's high-level authorities are committed to providing full assistance in the sense of preparation of writing the guidelines for media literacy, peace journalism, and training to be held in Timor-Leste, with the aim to build the capacity of the journalists as well media institutions, particularly on the ability of journalism to deliver reports and news that deal with war conflict and war zone to the public. The time frame of the activities are to be carried out possibly on February or April next year in Delhi, as has been discussed deeply with Mrs. Noel and Jasmine Kim and the Timor-Leste Press Council authorities. Prior to the conclusion of my welcome remarks, let me express my great appreciation to the Chairman Lee Min-hee, the founder of Hwpl, the 93 years old, who has strong dedication, commitment, and fighting spirit that never ended, with all Hwpl members and volunteers to bring the real peace to the society. I call his strong message, believer in this year's summit, that you have to work for peace. As well, our Deputy Prime Minister messaged that let Timor-Leste and Delhi become a land of peace and city of peace. So we all should stand as one. Therefore, please follow me to say we are one. Once again, please follow me to say we are one.
We are one.
Thank you. Let me summarize into Tetu, so allow the journalists to have cover on the information. Kalau de sumari iya Tetu konaba proses utama lebe halo sculpa Conselho de Imprensa Timor-Leste halo ho HWP durante Conselho de Imprensa Timor-Leste orgulho ba presença Hwpl, inter alia, Senhora Jennifer Choi, Senhora Chloe Lee. Hanoi Hicas, kata delegação Hwpl Ciracelo, continua serviço. Tô agora concentra para projeto Sanana Sport Center Event Hall, projeto Public Peace Art no projeto dele. Projeto idane sei halo ho ia 2024 atau transforma Dili ba Cidade Paz. Transforma Dili ba Cidade Paz. Projeto idane ligação direita ao vice-primeiro-ministro Timor-Leste, Excelência Senhor Francisco Calvoari. Objetivo principal da visão longo prazo, mas o setor turismo não atrai estrangeiro visita mais Timor-Leste. Neduni paz, segurança e estabilidade, no sabe principal do desenvolvimento nacional e setor outro. Programa sumário. Evento hoje acontece, demonstra discussão naro, deve concentrar para programa importante, hanesan, media literacy, peace journalism, journalist education, no arte marciais. Ida ikus sela abandona tambahau rasi, Professor João Antônio Soares, Husi Unpaz, no Mateus Lema Soares, Husi Sengeteli, continua a ralar o serviço do assunto refere. Esforço no discussão intensivo ralo entre delegação, Conselho de Imprensa Timor-Leste, no figura-chave HWPL NIAN, tanto durante encontro nível alto da paz e a Insen, Coreia Sul, 18 a 21 de setembro de 2023. No MOS, depois do encontro termina. Encontro onde troca ideia, opinião, observação, nossa sugestão, continua a ralar, agora entre a delegação, Conselho de Imprensa Timor-Leste, o senhor Yang Xiao, HWPL International Law Department, senhora Noel Han, HWPL General Directors of Public Relations and Press, no Jasmine Kim, inclui Elder Choi. Progresso, discussão de Husi Zoom Meeting, e fula no YouTube, a figura importante, senhora Noel Han, no Jasmine Kim, e resultado fantástico. Autoridade nível alto, HWPL NIAN, atur comitimento, Hodi for assistência toma, e é sentido preparação hakerek. Matadalan, ba media, literacy, peace journalism, no treinamento, nebesa e halau, e hadili Timor-Leste, parece que não encontro também agora lá consegue. O alvo principal, maka hasai capacidade jornalista no instituição média, especificamente habilidade jornalística, ator reportagem, no informação, nebeliga para war conflict no World Zone para público. Calendário tentativa pode realizar atividade menciona, nebe discute cliente entre a autoridade e Conselho de Imprensa Timor-Leste, possível Noel Han, no Justin King, parece calendário not a fixed calendar, right? Or trying to fix out the calendar, whether probably Bela April, almost Bela April. Obrigado, Bara. Thank you so much once again. Please, before I leave the stage, once again, please follow me. Say, we are one. We are one. Thank you.
Obrigado, Bar, conselheiro de reforma. Stop video, please.
With the proclamation of the Declaration of World Peace on May 25th, 2013, HWPL, an NGO associated with the UNECOSOC, was established to create a world of peace free of wars. HWPL is carrying out peace initiatives in 170 countries around the world. HWPL aims to develop a legal instrument that will ensure peace in the world so that people can live in harmony, transcending borders, race, and religion. On March 14, 2016, the 10 articles and 38 clauses of the Declaration of Peace and Cessation of War was proclaimed. In May 2018, HWPL introduced the DPCW to the UN permanent representatives of 145 countries. Receiving the support from the international community, the DPCW will be submitted to the UN in the form of a draft resolution. Specifically, the governments of Eswatini, Seychelles, Comoros, and Antigua and Barbuda declared their official support for the DPCW. The Central American Parliament passed a resolution in support of the DPCW, and Pan-African Parliament, the legislative body of the African Union consisting of 55 African countries, signed an MOU with HWPL supporting the DPCW. Furthermore, various European political leaders and experts in the fields of education and law support the peaceful unification of the Korean Peninsula, which is a symbolic measure to cease wars and various activities as the advisory council. Currently, advocacy activities supporting the implementation of the DPCW, such as Legislate Peace Campaign and Peace Letter Campaign, are being carried out around the world by the civil society. People around the world are becoming one with HWPL and establishing a peace network in the fields of politics, education, religion, media, youth, and women's organizations. Religious leaders are taking the lead in building peace and ceasing conflicts via 250 HWPL work offices in 128 countries. Peace education awakens the students' recognition of the value of living as a citizen on this earth in the era of peace. HWPL Peace Education Curriculum is being introduced not only to the educational institutions, but also at the governmental level. Through peace education, our children will grow as peace messengers and protect a lasting peace in the world. HWPL World Peace Summit, a festival to the family of peace, is a time to witness achievements made for peace and to commit to the work of peace that needs to be done in the future. At the September 18th HWPL World Peace Summit held in 2014, where around 200,000 participants gathered, the implementation of international law for peace and achievement of religious harmony was proposed as a solution to build a peaceful world. At the fourth annual commemoration of the HWPL World Peace Summit held in 2018, MOAs and MOUs were signed with many international organizations, including 5 ministries of education and major media agencies in 12 countries, to spread a culture of peace. Through 3 World Peace Tours visiting 71 countries, heads of state, prime ministers, chief justices, and religious leaders became a part of the HWPL Peace Advisory Council, and journalists around the world became HWPL publicity ambassadors, taking the lead to publicize HWPL's peace activities. As a result of the efforts to resolve the conflict in Mindanao, Philippines, January 24th Mindanao Peace Agreement Day was declared. Also, HWPL days such as Declaration of World Peace Day and September 18th World Alliance of Religions Day were designated in various countries around the world. The efforts to remember and commemorate peace are being achieved through HWPL Peace Museum, Library, and Peace Park. HWPL is making efforts with the world to cease wars and to leave a world of peace as a legacy to future generations. The peace movement of HWPL, joined by all people around the world, will change the future of mankind to peace. For a new era of eternal prosperity that everyone has dreamed of, we will follow the path of peace together as HWPL.
Thank you for the video frame. So before coming to the second session, I'd like to give the chance to Ms. Jennifer Chen to deliver a brief introduction.
Thank you everyone for coming. It is our great honor to be part of this MOU ceremony with the respected and distinguished organization of Timor-Leste Press Council and HWPL. At this time, I will give a short and brief introduction of HWPL Peace Initiatives in Timor-Leste. First, we are determined to transform belief together with everyone in Timor-Leste to transform belief into a city of peace. And we are planning on and we are working on 3 major peace initiatives. And we all know, all the journalists who are here today, you are the voice for peace. You are the key people who can touch the heart of the local citizens and who can bring and grow the mindset of peace in the heart of the people. So we really hope and expect for your active attention and kind attention to our peace initiatives. First of all, currently we are working on the public peace art project starting from Shanana Sports Center. Tomorrow we will have the unveiling ceremony at 10 o'clock, and we invite all the journalists to participate as well. And through this is our first initiative, but this is the beginning, a humble beginning of a momentous journey because starting from this next month and the month after and continuously we will transform and beautify the outer appearance of Hodi so that we can, with the hands of the young volunteers, university students and local artists with the volunteering heart, we will transform Hodi into a city of peace, attracting more foreigners and also the tourists coming. Not only that, we are currently working on peace education with the Ministry of Higher Education. In December, we are going to start the peace educator training program, training the professors with the peace education, and starting from 2024, the first semester, we will implement peace education in the universities of Delhi. And also, not only that, this is the we, the journalists here, are the one who can change the heart of everyone. So we are conducting this peace education journalism. Through it, many distinguished journalists with the mindset of peace who can transform Timor-Leste can be brought up. So in the future, we really hope for your kind attention to all the peace initiatives that HWPL are conducting. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Secretary, for very, very brief introduction. So we are coming to the signing session. Akan terjadi Presiden di Konsil de Imprensa, kakak Baoi, kalau Fatin Baoi. Apakah harus semuanya berseluruh Konsil de Imprensa ini? Karena fiskalnya itu ya dari seperti dari ya. Yes, Mr. Foley, we are accompanied by Ms. Jennifer to the meetings for the signing. Thank you very much for the invitation. I would like to invite this comment to your place. the ceremony comes to an end. Before coming to the session is photo session. I think we are still using this info to the photo session. Apakah kombinasi solusi yang akan kita lakukan atau basis sama foto itu? Bahwa itu itu bahwa solusi atau foto itu. Representante media Asosiasi Indonesia ada di Akordu atau foto-foto. Representante Indonesia mau melihat Akordu. Jawa, Esapur, two, three. We are done. Ya, kemudian kita harus pasang kita hasilnya teman ini hal kemudian itu atau hak ada IHW kita tuh kafe itu yang berarti karena kalau itu